introduce myself, my name is Lituna Koninta with name 524-124-0017. So I want to fulfill my assessment with the Applied English course. Here I will review the journal Relationship of Food Consumption Patterns with Increasing Blood Pressure in Adults using the 5W1H method. What is high blood pressure? High blood pressure or hypertension is a medical condition in which the blood pressure in the arteries is constantly above normal limits. Blood pressure itself is the force of blood pushing against the walls of the arteries every time the heart pumps blood throughout the body. Brief explanation: normal blood pressure in adults is generally below 129. A person is said to have hypertension if their blood pressure is constantly at or above 149. The next is, why can diet cause the risk of high blood pressure? Number 1 is further salt intake. High salt or sodium consumption can cause the body to return more food. This increases blood volume so that pressure on the walls of blood vessels also increase and cause hypertension. Number 2 is further consumption of saturated and trans fats. Foods high in saturated fats and trans fat or fried foods, processed foods, fast food can cause plaque in blood vessels. And the number 3 is lack of consumption of fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables contain potassium, magnesium, and fiber which help lower blood pressure. The 3W is who usually gets high blood pressure. Hypertension can be experienced by anyone, but there are certain groups who are more at risk of developing this disease. The first is adult and the elderly. The risk of hypertension increases with age, especially at age 40. 2 is people with a family history of hypertension. Genetic or hereditary factor play a major role. If your parents or siblings suffer from hypertension, your risk is also higher. The 3 is individuals with unhealthy diets often consume foods high in salt, saturated fat, and low in fruits and vegetables. For the explanation of who and when, it is actually at the same as age. When someone is 40 years old, they will be more susceptible to hypertension. This study confirms that unhealthy eating habits are a major risk factor for hypertension. Therefore, it is important to know how to implement a healthy diet by limiting salt, fat, and processed food intake and increasing consumption of fruit, vegetables, and natural food to prevent and control high blood pressure. And conclusions that I can draw based on the result of the study is it can be concluded that there is a significant relationship between food consumption patterns and increased blood pressure in adults. Respondents who have inappropriate food consumption patterns, or for example, high in salt, fat, and low consumption of fruit and vegetables experience more high blood pressure or hypertension compared to those who have a healthy and balanced diet. And this is what I can review from the journal that I have read. Thank you and see you later.